Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you 6 positions that I made on 8th of March 2023 based on price action on Bitcoin. Before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start. As you can see on the first position, we have a trend line with 3 touches. On the fourth time it is broken here, we enter the sell position, put our stop loss above that candle or somewhere safer like here or even here, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around 4.6 here. We could also enter sell positions on this trend line and also this trend line too. On the second position we have a trend line which it was like this at the first look. Let me zoom in that we can see better. Actually, when we see this shadow, we extend it like this one, and it is broken with this green candle. We enter the buy position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of 3.4 here. On the trade 3, we have a trend line with 2 touches. On the third time it is broken here, we enter the sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of 2. We also have a trend line here which we could enter buy position, but because I didn't enter, I didn't count it 2. But you could also enter the buy position here, put your stop loss somewhere safe like here, or even half of the candle in this kind of big candles, and look for risk to reward 2. On the trade 4, we have a trend line with 2 touches. On the third time it is broken here, we enter the sell position, put our stop loss above that candle, and it gives us a reward of 2.7. We could also enter a sell position on this trend line too. On the trade 5, we have a trend line with 3 touches. On the fourth time it is broken here, we enter the buy position, put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer like here, and it gives us a reward of 2.5. On the trade 6, we have a trend line which it was like this. Actually, let me select this one. It was like this, and when we see these shadows here, we extend it until we see this red candle breaks it. We enter the sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of 8 here. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you again. Bye bye.